Let's provide the solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 3 to power t. This is equal to t to power 9. So what is the value of t? Solution, we have 3 to power t. This is equal to t to power 9. So the first step here, we need to ensure that we put the variable. We have a variable t and the constant terms. Okay, so let's put the variables on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So let's start by multiplying by 1 over t, both signs by 1 over t. So let's simplify here so that we'll have 3 is equal to t to power 9 multiplying by 1 over t. The next step from here, you find that if you have a to power n multiplying by n, this can be expressed as a to power m raised to power n. So applying this exponent property, this follows that we will have t to power 1 over t raised to power 9. Now the next step from here, let's multiply both signs by 1 over 9 so that we can eliminate this 9 on this side and multiply the left hand side with 1 over 9. So here we'll have 3 to power 1 over 9. This is equal to, now we simplify here, so this is equal to t to power 1 over t. Now from what we have here, we can express this as t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 3 to power 1 over 9. So now from here, we can express 3 to power 1 over 9 as 3 to power 1 multiplied by 1 over 9. So 1 can be expressed as 3 divided by 3. So let's substitute this. So we'll have t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 3 to power 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 over 9. So let me write this as t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 3 to power 3 divided by 3 times 1 over 9. So the next step here, we can write this as t to power 1 over t. This is equal to 3 to power 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 times 9. Now, given that if you have a to power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as a to power n raised to power m. So applying this exponent property, we'll have 3 to power 3 raised to power 1 divided by 3 times 9, which is 27. Now, let's proceed here. 3 to power 3, this is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and this is equal to 27. So here we'll have 27 raised to power 1 over 27. And this is what is t to power 1 over t. Now, given that if you have m raised to power 1 over m, this is equal to n raised to power 1 over n. And that means that n is equal to m. So applying this property, we'll have that t will equal to 27. So t is equal to 27. Okay, so we can also check here. This is 1 over t. This is equal to 1 over 27. So now if you cross multiply here, definitely we'll have that t is equal to 27. So let's verify this. Now let's verify that the value of t, which is equal to 27, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 3 to power t, this is equal to t to power 9. So let's substitute the value of t. So we'll have 3 to power 27. This is equal to 27 raised to power 9. So the next step here is to express 27 basically as 3 to power 3. Okay, so from here we'll have 3 to power 27. This is equal to 3 to power 3, all this raised to power 9. The next step here, you find that 3 to power 3 raised to power 9, this is actually in the form of 8 to power n raised to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by m. So let's apply this property. We'll have 3 to power 27. This is equal to 3 to power 3 times 9. Now from here, we'll have 3 to power 27. This is equal to 3 to power 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. So clearly, you can see that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that shows that the value of t, which is equal to 27, basically satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. And subscribe, my good people. See you in the next video. Bye bye.